The structural fabrication industry is changing. For decades, shops relied on the same processes: sawing, drilling, plasma, manual layout, multiple setups, multiple bottlenecks. By bringing fiber laser technology into structural fabrication, we helped change the direction of the industry, giving fabricators a faster, more efficient way to process steel and proving there was a better way forward. Today, X-Series offers one of the industry's most complete equipment lineups for structural and miscellaneous metal fabrication: high-speed plate processing, laser profile processing, automated welding, automated drill lines, robotic coping, CNC press brakes. Every machine is engineered to solve a specific production challenge while working together as a complete fabrication ecosystem. Our philosophy has never been to sell machines. It's to eliminate bottlenecks. Every product we develop is designed to reduce handling, consolidate operations, improve throughput, and help fabricators produce more with the people and floor space they already have. That's how real productivity is created. Innovation only matters if it performs in the real world. That's why every X-Series machine is built around practical automation, dependable technology, and straightforward operation, not unnecessary complexity. Equipment that works hard, delivers consistent results, and creates measurable return on investment. And it doesn't stop when the machine is installed. Through XOVR Parts Service, customers receive installation, training, replacement parts, and responsive technical support from a team that understands fabrication. The industry is evolving. The shops leading tomorrow won't simply work harder. They'll build smarter production systems. That's exactly what we're helping fabricators do. X-Series, better machines, better support, better ROI.